Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can get notifications on Bereal. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, to get any kind of notification from your Bereal app, you need to first of all tap open the app itself. Once you tap open the app, you will end up in this page. So simply tap on your profile icon, and once you are in your profile, you need to tap on the three dots option. After you have clicked on it, you can find the notification section right over there. So simply tap open the dongle or turn your dongle from left to right to turn on all the notifications on your Bereal. So once you do this, you will receive different kind of notifications on Bereal about mentions, tags, and different varieties of things. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.